Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.